Have you ever wondered how the human species, so complex and advanced, evolved from primitive life forms? Let's take a step back, way back, to the early stages of human evolution. It all begins with the first mammals. These furry creatures, so different from us, laid the groundwork for everything to come. As time marched on, the world changed, and with it, our ancestors. The first primates emerged, creatures more akin to the human form we recognize today. They climbed trees, they had forward-facing eyes, and most importantly, they had larger brains. But evolution didn't stop there. Oh no, it was just getting started. The environment kept changing, and our ancestors had to adapt to survive. This led to the rise of the first hominids, our closest relatives, walking upright, using tools, and beginning to shape the world around them. From the first mammals, to primates, and then to hominids, the early stages of human evolution were marked by significant transformations, all driven by the need to adapt and survive. But how did we, Homo sapiens, come to be the dominant human species on Earth? This question is one of the most intriguing puzzles of our existence. The journey to unravel this mystery takes us back to the cradle of humankind millions of years ago. Our story begins with the early hominids, the first known relatives of humans. These beings weren't quite like us, but they laid the groundwork with their ability to walk upright and their growing brain capacity. Over time, these early hominids evolved into several different Homo species, each with their own unique characteristics. Let's take a moment to appreciate the diversity of these early humans. There was Homo habilis, the first to use tools, and Homo erectus, the first to control fire. Then came Homo neanderthalensis, or Neanderthals, known for their robust physique and large cranial capacity. Among this diverse group of early humans, a new contender emerged around 200,000 years ago. Homo sapiens, or wise man. We Homo sapiens were different. Our greatest advantage was our ability to think and communicate complex ideas, which allowed us to collaborate and innovate in ways our predecessors couldn't. The out of Africa theory proposes that we, Homo sapiens, originated in Africa and then spread across the globe, replacing other Homo species we encountered. This wasn't necessarily a brutal takeover. It could have been a slow and steady process of outcompeting others for resources, or perhaps we interbred with them until only we remained. However, the exact mechanisms of how we became the dominant human species remain a topic of ongoing debate among scientists. What we do know is that we outlasted all other Homo species, a testament to our adaptability and ingenuity. The rise of Homo sapiens wasn't just about survival. It was about the evolution of our minds and our ability to shape the world around us. It was about the birth of culture, art, and science. It was about the journey from being mere inhabitants of the earth to becoming its custodians. As Homo sapiens, we outlived other Homo species, marking a significant milestone in the journey of human evolution. So we've established ourselves as Homo sapiens. But how did we progress from living in caves to building vast civilizations? Our ancestors began this monumental shift by transitioning from hunter-gatherer societies to settled farming communities. This transition, known as the Neolithic Revolution, occurred around 10,000 years ago. People began to domesticate plants and animals, allowing them to settle down and build permanent dwellings. The invention of tools played a critical role in this transformation. Simple stone tools evolved into complex machinery, making tasks easier and more efficient. The wheel, for instance, revolutionized transportation and farming. Equally important was the development of language. It allowed us to communicate, share ideas, and pass down knowledge through generations. This not only fostered a sense of community, but also paved the way for the emergence of complex societies. These societies, with their systems of governance, religion, and economy, marked the birth of civilization. The birth of civilization marked a new era in our evolutionary journey, setting the stage for incredible advancements. So, what have we learned about our journey from the first mammals to the complex societies we live in today? Well, it's been quite an odyssey. We began as humble creatures, forging our way in a world that was often brutal and unforgiving. Yet, we persevered, evolving into the Homo sapiens, a species marked by its ability to think, to learn, to adapt. This cognitive revolution set us apart, launching us on a trajectory that would see us build civilizations, create languages, and transform the world around us. From the first spark of consciousness to the rise of great empires, we've come a long way. Each step in our evolutionary journey has been a testament to our resilience, our ingenuity, and our indomitable spirit. Our evolutionary journey has been long and complex, filled with challenges and triumphs. And as we continue to evolve, who knows what the future holds for the human species?